Hi friends, this is Gautam from Zendalona, welcoming you to the Accessible Coconut tutorial series. File Management Basics Part 6. This is the sixth video in which we explore various aspects of file management. Here we delve into additional aspects, namely checking the path, hiding items, reloading, opening an item with administrative privileges, and accessing the desktop from any location. First, let's explore how we can access the desktop from any location. When we need to access the items of desktop from anywhere, we have to press Alt, Ctrl and D. Then the items of the desktop will be displayed. This action minimizes all windows, and we can use arrow keys to navigate through the items of the desktop to reach locations like home folder, user guide, trash, etc. Let's try that. Now we are inside the downloads folder and we can press the key combination Alt, Ctrl and D.
Left Alt, left Control. Desktop. Linux tombstone icon. 3 of 4.
Now we can use the arrow keys to navigate.
User dash guide folder. Turn screen dash reader on or off desktop configuration file. Trash icon. 2 of 4.
In this way, we can navigate through the items available on the desktop and open whichever is necessary. Now, let us see how we can check the path of a file or folder and reach that location by typing that information. To check the path or complete location of a file or folder, we can press the key combination Ctrl and L. For example, to check the exact location of an MP3 file inside a folder named Songs in Music folder, we can select the file and press the key combination.
Songs. Icon view. Songbus.mp3 audio. 1 of 2. Left Control L. Location colon. Text. /home /linux 2 /music /songs selected.
Now, Orca announced the path of that file or the location of the file as /home /linux /music /songs. Then we can use this location information to reach this location when we are inside another folder or another location. That is, from that location, if we type this location after pressing Ctrl L and Enter key, we will come straight into the songs folder. So let's try that.
Left Control L. Location colon. Text. /home /linux 2 /downloads selected.
Since we have copied that location information, we can paste it here now.
Left Control V. Pasted contents from clipboard.
And if we press Enter key here, we will reach that file, that is that MP3 file we have accessed earlier.
Return. Table with 15 rows 1 column.
We can check whether we have reached the intended location by pressing the Ctrl L key combination again to access the location information.
Left Kel. Location colon. Text. /home /linux 2 /music /songs selected.
Now let us see how we can hide a file or folder. To hide a file or folder, a full stop or a dot can be added in front of its name. So let's try that now.
Not accessible. Songs 2 songs folder 2 folder 1 accessible -coconut intro.mp4 mpeg-4 video.
Let us try to hide this video file. Now we have to add full stop or a dot before its name. For that, we can rename it by pressing the F2 key.
F2. Accessible -coconut intro.mp4 text. Accessible -coconut selected.
Now we can use the right arrow key to reach the beginning of the name.
Text unselected.
Here we can add a full stop or a dot
Dot.
and press enter key.
Return. Icon view 0 items.
When we add a full stop like this in front of the name, the item won't be hidden immediately. It will be hidden when we access the location the next time. If we need to hide the file immediately, we can press the key combination Ctrl and H after we add the full stop.
Left Ctrl H.
Now the file is hidden.
Songs to folder, songs folder, folder to folder, folder 1 folder, songabusharrow.mp3 mp3 audio.
And now to make the hidden file visible again, we can press the key combination Ctrl and H.
Left Ctrl H. Not accessible. Songs to folder, folder to folder 1 folder. Not accessible -coconut intro.mp4 mpeg-4 video.
Now that file is visible again. Now let us see the key combination for reloading. The key combination Ctrl and R is commonly used for reloading or refreshing the current view. This action is particularly useful when we want to update the content of a folder after we perform an action or refresh the display of a file manager or file browser.
Left Ctrl R.
Now let us examine how we can access items as administrator. This feature should be used only by users who understand operating system administration. Else, data loss and system instability can occur, and reinstallation of operating system may be required. We can choose administrative options like Open as Administrator, Edit as Administrator, Run as Administrator, etc. depending on the item. Then, from the context menu of the associated folder or file which is to be accessed with elevated privileges, we can choose the option. This allows us to perform actions that require administrative rights, such as modifying system files or directories, which regular users do not have permission to modify. So, when we choose any of these administrative options from the context menu, authentication is required. For that, we need to type the system password. So let's try that inside the Downloads folder, where certain folders and files are available. First, let's select as folder.
Music 7. Songs to folder. Songs folder. Right shift. F menu.
Context menu is available and we can navigate to see administrative options.
Properties. Sign. Encrypt. Folders color method. Open as administrator. D. 22 of 34.
This is the administrative option available here. Open as administrator. Now,
Escape. Downloads frame. Icon view 0 items.
in the case of a MP3 file,
Folder 1 folder. Songabusharrow.mp3 mp3 audio. Right shift. F menu. Properties. Sign. Encrypt. Files emblem menu. Edit as administrator. D. 21 of 33.
we got the Edit as Administrator option. So, when we choose one of these administrative options from the context menu, authentication is required to perform the action, and for that we need to type the system password when the authentication window is available.
Menu. Encrypt. Edit as administrator. Return. Authenticate dialog. Authentication is required to run the text editor as administrator. An application is attempting to perform an action that requires privileges. Authentication.
Here, we can type the system password and press enter key. If there are any doubts or suggestions, please leave a comment. Thank you.